What's going on, guys? In this video, we are talking about case studies, why you need them, and why they're more important than your portfolio. And before you get too mad at me, I'm going to explain why and show you how to get case studies and the questions to ask to make sure that you're getting good case studies from your clients. So without further ado, let's jump in. Also, if you don't know who I am, my name is Eric Deeran. I run Master Filmmaker. To date, we've helped 421 video business owners scale their business, build their business, get more clients, all the fun stuff. So if you want to learn more about that, there's a link below and let's dive into it. So case studies, right? Why do we need case studies? Let's jump over to the iPad here. So typical people, video business owners are going to get portfolios. They're going to get videos. They're going to get content, and they're going to put all that on their website here, right? So if we have our website, if my pen will work here. Cool. Okay. So they're going to have all this on their website. This does not want to work for me today. Hold on. There we go. All right. So we have our website. We have all of our fancy videos on here. But here's the problem. Clients don't care about the fancy videos. They care about results. If a business is hiring you to create content for them, they want to generate an ROI. And so what's going to be far more effective in convincing your clients is, instead of these being pieces of work, you have pieces of work and you have case studies. Now, let's start by defining what case studies are. Case studies essentially are when you sit down with your client, you talk about their experience working with you, and you go over the results that you're able to generate for them, right? And so we're able to do that, and we showcase what it is that they actually do and what we did for them. And then that way, to new potential clients that are coming in here, they can watch these case studies, they can get excited about working with you, and these case studies do 99% of the selling for you. And so that's super, super key here. Now you might be wondering, well, Eric, I don't have any case studies. Well, what I would tell you is go back to your past clients and look at everybody that you've worked with and simply reach out to them and say, hey, I just was reaching back out because we did XYZ project, wanted to see what sort of results you guys generated from that. We're just doing a poll of our past clients. I do this with all of our clients when they come in. I promise you, there are so many people we have that have clients that got amazing results, that generated millions of dollars, that got some sort of amazing result working with them, but they just didn't know because they didn't ask. And so then what you do is you set up a time, either if you're remote, you do it on riverside.fm, which is a really good platform, or you do something like just going and sitting down, doing a 2-camera shoot, like a podcast setup, and then you interview the client, you ask them questions, you go back and forth, and then you're able to turn that into a case study. Now, you might be wondering, well, Eric, what sort of questions do I ask? Well, here you go. If you want to take a screenshot of this, these are the questions you ask. These are the questions we give our clients. This is a guide, but this should give you a good example of what questions to ask. So then when you go in there, you're able to talk about the results that you're able to generate for them and go through that process. And then what we do is we put them on the website, and we can post them to all of our different platforms. So we have a case study here. You can post it to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest if you use that. If you're a weirdo, just kidding. And then obviously on your website. And so we're able to post the case study all of these places. And so what this does is it gives us social proof. So then instead, when clients ask us, what sort of results could I expect from this content? You just send them to your website and they watch all the case studies. And the case studies do most of the selling for you. And the question you want to ask yourself is, if I had 70 of these case studies, right, how much easier would it be for me to sell someone into my video services every single month? Well, it would probably be a lot easier than you think. So that's the way we get case studies. Those are the questions that we use. If you have any questions on this, leave a comment below. But it's simple. I know it sounds super simple. I know it sounds super duh, right? But most people are not doing this. And the problem is they don't have any sort of results to show. They just have a bunch of pretty videos that the client ultimately doesn't care about. They care about results, because I'll tell you from experience, sometimes the prettiest pieces of content don't perform on ads. They don't convert because they take too long to get to the point. So that's why you want to talk about the results you're able to generate, and that's how you're going to set yourself apart as a video agency owner, as opposed to all the other people out here, your competitors, who are simply just talking about the quality of the work. So if you have any questions on that, let us know. And shameless plug, if you want to learn more about what we do at Master Filmmaker, click the link below. There's a short workshop you can go through that explains a little bit more about what we do, how we generate clients for our clients, and what that process looks like. So we'll see you there.